Well, it's almost time for Shabbat, and my favorite food to make for Shabbat is called cholent. Cholent is a delicious dish that we eat on Shabbat by day, and it's a food that's warm because it's cooking all Shabbat, taking in all the flavors. And the most important thing you need for cholent is a cholent pot. That's the most important thing. I don't think so, Rabbi B. The most important thing you need for cholent is the meat and potatoes and the pepper and the salt. Hey, not so fast. I think the most important thing you need for cholent is the dark kidney beans and pot barley. Yum! Okay, maybe you need a lot of things to make cholent. Let's all sing together.
1 cholent pot, 2 cholent pot, 3 cholent pot, 4 cholent pot, 5 cholent pot, 6 cholent pot, 7 cholent pot. Dark kidney beans and pot barley, pot barley, pot barley. Dark kidney beans and pot barley, yum. Meat and potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Meat and potatoes, pepper, 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 salt.
Dark
Meat
cholent pot,
and potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Meat and potatoes, pepper, 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 salt.
Dark
Meat and potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Meat and potatoes, pepper, 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 salt. Rabbi B loves hearing from fans. Please send any fan mail, drawings, or questions to rabbibmusic@gmail.com.